new element. I'm gonna make it 4 inches and lock it later maybe. The thickness I'm gonna make to 1.5. The height is 84. Okay, make another copy. Make sure it's all the way back. And then I'm gonna make another copy. Resize and rotate on Z axis. So I want to rotate this on the Z axis 90 degrees once. There you go. Bring this one. Make a copy. Align with the top. Make another copy. Okay. Now I need the thickness for these to be 3/4. So change them, apply, you'll see that they all change. Right? Now I'm making a dough that is 84 inches high, 36 inches wide. So I need to group and then resize my dough. Before I do that, I need to make sure these sides are locked so that they don't resize. All right, now it's already grouped, so I'm going to just type in 36, and there you go. That's your 36-inch dough. All right, so I'm going to take all these parts and resize it because I want this to be 5 inches high, then lock them. Now I need to align this again with the tops. Right, and then I need to make sure this is somewhere in the middle, and the easiest way to do that, make sure I unlock the whole thing again, ungroup, I'm sorry, and then I'm going to select all these three and distribute the distance in between. That's y-axis. Then so far so good. Take a new element. My new element should be 3/4 inch, and you'll see y, and bring it in here, resize so that you don't see that red. Okay, then I'm gonna quickly, now I need to make that diagonal. Right, so go to shape editor, select all, and make a notch all around. I want to move that so that it's 22.5 inches. That's the wrong direction, so I'm going to do Control Z and do it again. Change direction, 2.5. Then this one as well, 2.5. This one as well, 2.5. Wrong direction, so I need to change it. If you forget, you just undo. 2.5. This one also is 2.5. Then I'm going to delete this and delete this, and we got a nice perfect diagonal piece, close, that fits in any type of shape. So I'm going to make a copy of this, drop it down, and now we have another one. Then flip that, and our door is coming up. Now I need to make a copy of this. Now remember this piece is 4 inches wide, so I'm going to make it, you can make it whatever, so I'll make it 3, and the thickness I'll make it 3/4. That way when I bring it in here, as you can see in the plan view, this is 3D, it's gonna fit in very nicely. Now I need to make that gap at least 1/4 inch, so I'm gonna, you can start with this side, okay, and then I'm gonna make the gap 1/4 inch, so I move it to your right. So I need to move this piece left to right, and I need it only 1/4 inch. Move, there you go. Now I need to clone the same piece 1/4 inch plus the width of the piece. So I need to do the clone, and then make sure I do my math. So it's 3 plus a quarter, so it's going to be 3.25, or you can do fractions, it doesn't matter, it will still take it. So now we're going to clone it left to right, going this way. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I can leave it right there, select all, and then just resize it. All right, okay, then you select again, and I want to distribute on left to right, so x-axis. And as you can see, my doll looks very nice. I can actually now select all and group it, and let's look how it looks like. It's a really nice doll. We can save it now. You can buy now the kit for hanging it, whatever. Can make a copy, flip that side. I can add it to my catalog if I like. I'll add it right here, maybe call it barn door. And of course I can give it some nice textures. Let's look at the wood textures that I have. I'm gonna go to wood, and let's just play with some colors. That's not wood, that's the same color. Let's give it some oak. Oh yeah, you can now remove the contours, and your doll looks very nice. If you have any questions, pro100usa.com.